Let's explore 5 incredible creatures that have completely ditched the stomach. First up, the platypus. This bizarre but adorable Australian mammal is already famous for its duck bill, beaver tail, and venomous spurs. But their weirdness doesn't stop there. Platypuses have an esophagus that connects directly to their intestines. Scientists believe their ancestors once had stomachs but lost them over time. Since their diet consists of soft-bodied invertebrates like worms and insect larvae, they don't need a powerful organ to break down tough food. They just grind it up with gravel and the pads in their bills, and the nutrients get absorbed straight through the intestine. Next on our list are lungfish. These ancient fish are living fossils and are known for their ability to breathe air and survive droughts by burying themselves in mud. Just like the platypus, their esophagus leads straight to their intestine. Their diet is mostly soft stuff. Think fish, insects, and amphibians. Without a stomach, they rely on a long, coiled intestine to do all the work of digestion and nutrient absorption. It's an incredibly efficient system that has worked for them for millions of years. Let's move on to our third stomachless wonder, the chimera, also known as a ghost shark. These deep-sea dwellers are cartilaginous fish, related to sharks and rays. They look super eerie with their large eyes and wing-like fins. Chimeras also lack a traditional stomach. Their food passes from the esophagus into a slightly enlarged part of the intestine, but it's not a true stomach with acid-producing glands. They crush their hard-shelled prey like crabs and clams with powerful tooth plates, and their simple digestive tract takes care of the rest. Number 4 is the sea star, or starfish. These guys have a truly unique way of eating. They don't have a stomach inside their body in the conventional sense. Instead, they have something called an eversible stomach. When a sea star finds a meal, like a mussel or a clam, it pries the shell open just a tiny bit. Then, it pushes its stomach out of its mouth and into the shell, digesting the prey externally before slurping up the nutritious soup. So, it has a stomach, but it's more of an external tool than an internal organ. How cool is that? Finally, we have the tiny but mighty tardigrade, also known as the water bear. These microscopic invertebrates are famous for being nearly indestructible. They can survive extreme temperatures, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. Given their simple body plan, it's no surprise they don't have a complex digestive system. They have a simple tube-like gut. They use sharp stylets in their mouth to pierce plant cells or small invertebrates and suck out the contents, which then pass directly through their gut for absorption.